The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time.
Good morning, guys. It is 6:41. I woke up at 6, left the house at 6:15 to go to hot Pilates. Honestly, the only workouts I will ever leave my house at the crack of dawn is probably hot Pilates and Barry's boot camp. But if it's just the gym, bro, don't wake me up. Like, just don't even wake me up. But yeah, so I'm on my way to hot Pilates right now. I have an event to go to at 10. That's also one of the reasons why I booked a super early class. I like to get my workouts done super early in the morning, or like just like early in general, as opposed to like going in the afternoon, like around 4 or 5, because I feel like, one, by that time I'm already tired. Like, I don't have the energy to really go all out, and number two, that's like the time where the gym is super packed because everyone's going home from work and there's also traffic. So it's just like, it's not the vibe. It's not the vibe. I have an event at 10, so that's why I have to get my workout early, because the event is until 2 p.m. and that's literally rush hour. So it's gonna take us quite some time to get home later. I just finished Pilates. I'm sweating. Here's the set I'm wearing. Now I have to go get ready for an event.
It's Christmas.
And we're on time, we're on schedule. I am on my way to an Ipsy holiday party event right now, and it's kind of weird because most of the events that like these brands host are at nighttime, and this one is literally at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. I don't know if I have to take the freeway. It says I'm gonna be there in 32 minutes. So I don't know. I am around Beverly Hills area, so I'm gonna turn you guys around. Let's see some really nice houses we'll never able to afford.
Wonder and delight, the season to rejoice.
My camera is falling apart. Like, one of the screws came off, and oh wait, oh my god, thank the Lord. Oh my goodness, I was like, where am I gonna find, okay, I have to literally like baby this, but I was like, do you guys see this little screw right here? I have had my Canon G7X for years and years now, and the thing that I've noticed with other YouTubers with their Canon G7X is that they put a blue tape on like the little viewfinder, like once you flip it. I wish I could show you guys, but like if you flip it up, you can see all the screws, and basically if you lose the screws, some of them like put blue tape on it just so it like keeps it all together. I don't know if it's making any sense, but basically one of the screws came off and I thought I had lost it somewhere else, but I found it on my dashboard. It is this super tiny thing right here. I'm gonna put it back once I get home because I am not in the mood to spend $700 on a new camera right now, because I have a lot of things to spend my money on, and the new camera is not on my list right now. So I need to figure out a way where I can hide this so I don't lose it, so I can put it back and I don't have to tape it, and yeah, all that jazz. I'm stressed right now, so if I put it here, it's probably gonna get lost. Like, I just like need a little tiny container, which I am not seeing in my car, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guys, I don't know, should I put it here? Is that safe? Like, I need to put it somewhere where I'm not gonna forget it. Like, that's, if I leave it in my car, that's less likely to get lost if I go to the event. Yeah, okay, I will just What if I literally do not trust myself, guys. Like please stay. I'm literally wrapping this tiny thing in this parking ticket. If I still lose this, like, I will murder someone. That is that. Yeah. Yay. Come up with my own kitchen collection. Hello. Wow. We got our personalized
our aprons.
You know anyone else?
No.
I saw your name. I was like, okay, well I have to. So,
Yay!
I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe?
I just finished the Ipsy holiday event. It was so much fun. And now I'm on my way to Ralph's work just to drop by and say hello, because he's gonna go on his lunch break soon. And then I got him a sandwich and a donut that I bit. So we're gonna go say hi, and then I'm gonna go home and film a video. Hopefully it won't be too dark, but yeah, so that is the plan right now. Oh, look guys, I stopped by his work and gave him a sandwich.
Hello.
And my half of donut.
Hello.
It's actually not that far. It was like a 10-minute trip. Not 10 minute, like 20 minutes
away.
Yeah. He was 20 minutes away from me, so I was like, I'll just go visit. You're welcome for the lunch. I'm gonna show him the pictures I took at the event because I'm a cook, guys. Martha Stewart, who?
She went to jail.
Exactly why I'm not Martha Stewart. So many cute stuff.
They're super cute.
I freaking decorated these cookies, guys. So good. This is what I'm most proud of. Wow. Okay, judge out of 10.
It's an 11, babe.
An 11. Nice. It's supposed to be shaped like
It's a 3.
Ouch. That hurts. Look at my snowman.
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
Yeah. What would you give this?
15.
A 15.
It's like an 8.
Alright. I will act it out before you go, okay?
Okay, please. It's for your lips.
Babe, I put it on my eyelid.
Eyeliner?
Okay, you know what? You're a guy. It's okay. Close enough. It's an eye palette. Okay, he has to go back to work now. Bye. Alright guys, So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the things that I got from Ipsy today. The first one we have is they gave us personalized aprons, and it says Ipsy and my Instagram handle. Guys, it's so freaking cute. I've always wanted to get like a personalized item of either like my YouTube username or like my Instagram handle, and Ipsy was the first one to give me one. Next up, we have this bag, and it just has the Ipsy logo, and there is an item in here which is, oh my god, it's a freaking mitten. And then we had the chance to build our own glam bag. Basically, if you guys are not aware or you guys don't know about Ipsy, Ipsy has these monthly subscription boxes where you get makeup items from like all of these different brands, from Tarte, Benefit, just like all these other brands, and you pay, I believe, $10 to $15. I'm not too sure, but like when I used to be a member, I paid $10 a month and I got like a mini bag, glam bag that is filled with makeup items. But now they have a glam bag and a glam bag plus, and I believe the glam bag plus has full-size items. I will put more information down below if you guys like want to check them out. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah, so they were like, yeah, you guys can build your own glam bag box, and you can also make one for someone that you want to gift to. So like I made one for my mom. This is the one that I built for myself. It just says Ipsy, and then there's a bunch of goodies here. First one we have is from Complex Culture, and it is this makeup brush bag, I believe, and it just looks like this. Picked up the Complex Culture Press and Set bronzer brush. I actually used this in a shoot with them last week. This is super fuzzy brush here. This is for their bronzer and basically to set like anything. And then we have the contour blush. It's like this slanted brush. Then we have this bamboo facial sheet mask from Feel, and it looks like this. I should use this tonight, honestly, because I don't have school anymore. Yay, we're done with finals, and I definitely deserve to treat myself. Guys, I would assume, I was like expecting, I don't know, like $10 maybe? No, I was expecting like $3 for this little mask. Bro, this one is $35. We have the Verso eye cream, and I've never heard of this brand before, but I trust Ipsy. They wouldn't put anything that is a bad product. This is Super Oil from Evol. I don't know how to pronounce. Hello? Can you like focus? There we go. Thank you. So that is the brand. These are $68 each. Like not even both. $68 and $68. This one's from the same brand, and it's a hydrating serum. Then we have the Morphe lipstick in the shade, is this in the shade Morphe? Yeah, so this is in the shade Morphe. This is a mega matte super matte lipstick. And then we also have in the shade Dominant. And we have this Tarte Stay Spray setting spray. I've never tried this one, but I am excited. Then we have this 111 Skin Harley St. London Cryo Activating Hydrogel Gel Hydratant Activant. What is this? So I go on Google, you know, typing. And this right here, literally the size of my palm, is $200. Then the last two items in the box is from I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. We have this palette, which is like two different ones, I believe. Thank you so much to Ipsy for inviting me to the event. It was so much fun. We did some cookie decorating. We also had like mini holiday photo shoot. They're so cute, you guys. I will put them somewhere here, or like you will probably see it on my Instagram, honestly. It was just like an overall really great vibe at the holiday party, or like holiday event, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around.